Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to teach numbers from 1 to 10 and colors in English for very young English learners. So for teaching this activity, you have to copy out numbers from 1 to 10 with colors. So now we have, I have 3 students, very beginners. They are very beginners of English, and I'm going to teach them from 1 to 10. Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Great.
Good. So this is 1. Can you say 1?
1.
1. 1 is black.
1 is black.
1.
1.
The color black.
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 1.
1.
Black.
Black.
Good. And this is 2.
2.
2. 2 is green.
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 2.
2.
Green.
Green.
2.
2.
2 is green.
2 is green.
Very good. Very good. And 3.
3.
3.
3.
3. 3.
3.
Yellow.
Yellow.
3 is yellow.
3 is yellow.
3.
3.
Yellow.
Yellow.
3.
3.
Yellow.
Yellow.
3.
3.
3.
3.
Very good. And next number is 4.
4.
4.
4.
4.
4.
Red.
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 4.
4.
Red.
Red.
4.
4.
Red.
Red.
Your dress is red.
Yes. Yes.
Red. So this is 4.
4.
Red.
Red.
Very good. And next number is 5.
5.
5.
5.
5.
5.
5. This number is 5.
5.
Orange.
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 5. Orange.
5. Orange.
5. Orange.
5. Orange.
Very good. Next number is 6.
6.
6.
6.
6.
6.
6.
6.
6.
6.
Blue.
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 6.
6.
Blue.
Blue.
6. Blue. Good. Good. Next number is 7.
7.
7.
7.
7.
7.
Pink.
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 7.
7.
Pink.
Pink.
7.
7.
Pink.
Pink.
Good. Do you like pink?
Yes.
Do you like pink?
Yes.
7.
7.
Very good. Next number is 8.
8.
8.
8.
8.
8.
8 is purple.
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 The color is purple.
The color is purple.
8.
8.
Purple.
Purple.
Very good. Next number is 9.
9.
9. 9. Can you say 9? 9. 9. 9 is brown.
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 9.
9.
Brown.
Brown.
9.
9.
Brown.
Brown.
Very good. And last number is 10.
10.
10.
10.
10.
10.
10.
10.
10 is white.
White.
You look, number is white. 10 is white. 10 is white. 9 is brown. 9 is brown. 8 is purple. 8 is purple. 7 is pink. 7 is pink. 6 is blue. 6 is blue. 6 is blue. 5 is orange. 5 is orange. 5 is orange. 4 is red. 4 is red. 4 is red. 4 is red. 3 is yellow. 3 is yellow. 3 is yellow. Very good. 2 is green. 2 is green. 2 is green. 1 is black. 1 is black. 1 is black. Okay, very good. So, This is a funny activity, and through this activity you can energize the kids, and they practice a lot. When they practice a lot, when they see the numbers, the colors, they learn it a very good way. This is the best way to teach young children numbers and colors. So let me ask them, what number is it?
1.
1. What color is it?
Black.
Black. What number is it?
1.
Color?
Black.
Black. Good. And what color is it? This is a white, right? So, and what number is it? 2. And what? 1. This one. 5. This one. 3. This one. 2. And this number? 3. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Do you like yellow?
Yes.
Good. What number is it?
4.
4. Can you show 4? Good. 4. 5. The color is orange. 6 is blue. 6. Good. 7. Good. 8. And 9. So you have to show me with your finger. Okay? 1. Okay. Show me 2. 2. Show me 3. 3. And show me 4. 4. Show me 5. 5. 6. 6. And show me 7. 7. Show me 8. 8. And 9. 9. And show me 10. This is 10. Good. Thank you very much.